All right, good morning, people. So today we're going to take you on a little journey of how squirrels generally get into these older houses here in Toronto through the drip line. So we're going to show you how they're getting in and how we're going to block it off today, and then put a one-way door to make sure we have a nice humane removal. So as you can see here, we've got a nice drip edge. Squirrels have chewed it to gain entry and are causing some havoc inside the attic today. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a drip edge in here, we're going to block them out, and we're going to put a one-way door to allow for safe entry and exit points. So as you can see here, we've got this drip edge nice and blocked with mesh, allowing the attic still to breathe but blocking out the squirrels. We've got the door here, that's going to allow the squirrels out. We've put it on to what we see as probably the biggest entry point along this drip edge, and then we're going to continue along here and get this all sealed up.